पक्ष भाजपा कडेन गोंय कोण वाचयतलो ह्या मुद्द्यावयल्यान ओपन डिबेट करपाक तयार आसा। भाजपाच्या करण्याचे जागृताय जावची ह्या हेतून आप पक्ष ओपन डिबेट करपाक तयार आसा। लोकशाय पद्धतीन आमकां रावपाचे स्वातंत्र्य मेळचे म्हण डॉक्टर ऑस्कर रिबेलो हांणी सांगला। आयडियस गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
आमकां आश्चर्य जालें, matter of fact we were shocked that the BJP and especially the legal team of the BJP have threatened the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers with law and order situations and intimidation and dire circumstances, and I don't know what exactly they were trying to intimidate us with. पण अशें म्हणून की परत परत तोच बॅनर दृश्टीन येता की आमचो जो बॅनर आशिल्लो पळय तो ऑनेस्ट एल्विस गोम्स वर्सेस लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर बाबाचे फोटो आनी ताका क्वेरी घातिल्लो पळय तो. पूण हे फक्त सांगूंक सोदतात की जो आमी बॅनर घातला की आमचो मुद्दो स्पश्ट आनी सोंपो की आमचो मुख्यमंत्री कॅन्डिडेट एल्विस गोम्स, and we would like for a healthy debate between Elvis Gomes and whoever is the chief ministerial candidate from any of the opposing parties, whether it is the BJP, whether it is the MGP, Goa Surakshan Alliance, or the Congress and possibly Goa Forward Alliance. So whoever is the chief ministerial candidate on the opposing side, if they have the guts to declare the chief ministerial candidate, Elvis Gomes would like to have a healthy debate about the future of Goa and what are the plans that the chief ministerial candidates require to evolve to save Goa. So this is the kind of a debate that we would like, and we are not going to be cowed down. We are not going to be running away with our tails between our legs by these kind of legal challenges that the BJP people could pose, or the kinds of threats of dire consequences etc. that the legal team has thrown at us. We would want a debate, a dignified debate, a healthy debate. Aam Aadmi Party is not in the game of insulting and threatening its opponents. We believe in democracy, and we would like that the opposing parties, principally the BJP which is in power, to believe in democracy and allow us our full democratic rights in expressing ourselves in the forthcoming elections.